We're back with another video. Let's go ahead and jump right into our skincare. Let's start with our toner. Let's tone our face. As you can see, we just jumped right into it. So follow along for this tutorial that we're about to do. Don't forget your lips. Make sure you moisturize them. Then we go right into our primer. So we're using Stay Matte as one of our primers. Put that on your face. Make sure you rub that into your skin nicely. Then we're going to go ahead and use our clear primer, or I guess gel-like primer, micro aqua gel-like. Rub that into your skin. Make sure everything gets into your skin so your makeup can stick and last. And then we jump right into our eyebrows. Let's prep them by putting our gel glue on. We need to go get a new one. This one is done, but anyways, we're using whatever's left at the bottom. So go ahead and line out your brows. Make sure you gel down your hairs. Gel them down. Then you go ahead and wipe off the excess. Make sure you shape your eyebrows to your shape. It's your desired shape. Then we go ahead with our brow pencil and draw our eyebrows in. Don't mind the drawing. You're going to fix it with the concealer. So we go right ahead and use our Pro Girl concealer. Put it underneath your eyebrows. Don't put it directly underneath. Then go ahead with your spoolie, your eyebrow brush, and line your eyebrows and shape them out to your desired shape. Then I'm also bringing down that concealer into my eyelids because that's going to help with our eyeshadow. So go ahead and use your beauty blender to blend that out because you don't want everything. You don't want it to be too harsh, and you don't want it to be showing too much. Then you go ahead and blend your eyeshadow. We're going to use the brown from that palette as one of our transition colors, and then that color that looks like it's pink. It's actually two brown that I mixed together that turns into that. So it looks like it's pink, but it's really not pink. But yeah, it works. And then we go into this palette right here. I'm showing you guys the pink, the two colors that I'm using. So those are the two browns that I'm using at the top. So they both look like it's pink when they're mixed together. But yeah, go ahead and blend that out to your desire. So you blend it out till when you like how it looks. Then you go on and move to the lower lids. Take that brown and put it in your eyelids. Rub that out. Blend that out, sorry. Blend that out. And then go ahead, add some to your wing kind of. And then in this palette we're going to use the white just so it can help our shadow pop, because we're going to put we're going to put a pink in our inner corners, in our eyes, sorry. So that's why I'm using that white. Then we go ahead and put our foundation on as we let that dry on our lids. Go ahead and put your foundation on. So I'm just using the foundation brush to begin with. So I'm putting that on my face, and then we go in with a beauty blender. You blend that out. Make sure you blend it out nicely because you want it to look like it's your skin, even though we're wearing makeup. Then we're going to go ahead and add that pink that I was telling you guys about. So we're just adding that on top of that white. This look 8, definitely 8. And then you go ahead and you do it the same thing that you did to your left eye. You're going to do with your right. You're going to do to your right eye. Sorry. Go ahead and pack that on. Look at that already, guys, and we're not even done yet. Just look at that. It's looking nice already. But yeah, continue. Now we go into this palette. We're going to use the black. Oh, I'm just showing you guys the pink that I used. Isn't that beautiful? Then we go ahead with our concealer. conceal the spots that you like to conceal. So those are my T-zone, I guess. Go ahead and use your brush to blend it out first. And then we're going to move on to our beauty blender and blend it out with our beauty blender, because you want to make sure it's blended into your skin nicely. And you want everything to look cohesive. Now we go ahead and do our contour. Don't worry, we're going to blend it out. So then we put our blush on using some orange, because I've been taking some tips. So go ahead, put some on, blend that out a little bit. Go ahead and blend out your contour. Blend that out, blend, and then we're going back and making sure we wipe out that excess contour on our eyebrows, because you don't want it to look too bright. Then that's the powder. Oh, I need to get a new one. That powder was so nice. Need to go look for another one. But yeah, we're going to use our setting powder. Set your face, set the spots that you know or you want to set. So I'm setting pretty much those spots that you see me setting, and then we're going to use those gold shimmers for our highlighter. So we go, oh, look at that, so nice. Don't worry, we're going to blend it out. It might look like it's a lot right now, but we're going to blend it out. So you put some there, put some on your nose. Take your highlighter brush that out. Then you go ahead, you brighten out your under eye a little bit. So I'm just adding a little brightener. Some of that powder, just putting it back there just to brighten up under my eyes a little bit. Blend that out, because then you don't want to just leave it on there like you just, yeah. Then we'll go ahead and use our setting spray to spray our face. Then we're using that black on our lips, because obviously if you don't have a black pen, you can use a black eyeshadow. It still works. So we just lined our lips with the black eyeshadow on top of our lip gloss, clear lip, whatever lip gloss that we put on earlier. Go ahead, put on your mascara, pop on your lashes. Sorry. Put on my lashes. Ooh, this look was it ate. Go ahead and dry in case the glue's not dry properly. And there is the finished look. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to go like, subscribe to my channel, please, and thank you.